Alright, welcome to the Musicator Station. Your friend Kingsley Monday. Today I want to share with you a very quick tip on how to play your E major scale. E major scale is another scale we want to treat today, a very cool scale. Okay, let me get into this thing without much ado. For your E major scale, this is what we have. Alright, the first letter we have here is letter E, which is the root, and it sounds like this. Next is F sharp. Next is G sharp. Next is A. The next is B. Then we have C sharp. We have D sharp. And we have E, which is the repetition of the root. Alright, let me play the scale all through. We have this. The ascending order. Alright, you may also want to stick around the scale by doing some kind of exercises. Might be first playing the chord tune, something like this. The ascending order. Next, you may want to play, might be some kind of 3-note succession exercise, something like this. Alright, you may also want to try some kind of a 4-note succession exercise, something like this. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Take your time, have fun. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and also invite other friends that may have need of this information. Happy shading.